Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. I'm back with another video and I will be unboxing my LuLu journal that you guys saw me create a few videos ago. I've showed you how to create a new account on LuLu, and I've also showed you how to upload your journal. Now the journal is here. I ordered it on October 4th and it arrived on October 9th. So it was pretty fast shipping and it arrived by FedEx. Rip the back of the cover so it would be easy for me to unbox. I'm just gonna open it like this so you guys can see how it comes packaged. Open this and it just has what I ordered here. And then here you have the Dear Military Spouse logo journal. The purple is very much the same color that I use. The logo looks like a really good placement. Here is the edge. I think I did 100 pages if I can remember. Really soft matte cover. There was no wrinkles or crinkles. And remember, I just did blank pages on the inside. The book is completely blank. The quality of the white pages, they seem thicker than what I've gotten in the past with LuLu. I really like that. I guess I can do a pen test. I have a green pen here. I'm just gonna write my name. And this is one of the Papermate Sharpies. There. And that's the page that's directly behind it. It does not bleed through. That means, in my opinion, the paper is pretty good quality because the Papermate pens are really good. On some papers, they do bleed through, or you can see just a slight on the back, but with this, it did not, and that was just white blank sheets. Again, the quality was amazing. I enjoyed it. Like I said, I've had some issues, or I did not like the quality of LuLu a long time ago, but this to me does not feel flimsy. This paper does not feel, the way the book was constructed is good. The colors are exact, so I have no complaints about it, and I might go back to using LuLu. I know someone asked about how they can put their book on the LuLu marketplace. I may go ahead and explore that option and create a video for that as well to help and guide anyone who wants to use LuLu to sell their books or journals. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. I hope you're enjoying my content, and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.